Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to track a project or manage a team, but you found yourself overwhelmed by the amount of information and the lack of organization? So you're not alone. Many people struggle to keep track of their projects and tasks, which can lead to missed deadlines, wasted time, and frustration. In this video, we're going to take a look at Smartsheet, a powerful software that can help you manage your projects and tasks more efficiently. We'll discuss what Smartsheet is, how it can be used, and the benefits of using it. Before we get started, let's define what project management software is. Project management software is a type of software that helps you plan, track, and manage projects. It can be used to track tasks, deadlines, budgets, and resources. There are many different types of project management software available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some project management software is designed for small teams, while others are better suited for large enterprises. Smartsheet is a cloud-based project management software that is designed for teams of all sizes. It is a powerful and flexible tool that can be used to manage a wide range of projects, from simple to complex. What is Smartsheet? Smartsheet is a cloud-based project management software that is designed for teams of all sizes. It is a powerful and flexible tool that can be used to manage a wide range of projects, from simple to complex. Smartsheet is built on a spreadsheet-like interface, which makes it easy to learn and use. It also has a number of powerful features, such as tasks. Tasks can be created, assigned to team members, and tracked to completion. Deadlines. Deadlines can be set for tasks and projects. Dependencies. Dependencies between tasks can be defined, so that tasks are not started until their dependencies are complete. Reports. Reports can be generated to track the progress of projects and tasks. Collaboration. Smartsheet allows multiple users to collaborate on projects in real time. How can Smartsheet be used? Smartsheet can be used to manage a wide range of projects, including product development, marketing campaigns, software development, event planning, project management, and much more. Here are a few specific examples of how Smartsheet can be used. Track tasks and deadlines. Smartsheet can be used to create a list of tasks and assign them to team members. Deadlines can also be set for tasks, and the progress of tasks can be tracked in real time. Manage budgets. Smartsheet can be used to track budgets and costs for projects. This can help you to ensure that you are staying on budget. Collaborate with team members. Smartsheet allows multiple users to collaborate on projects in real time. This can help to improve communication and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Generate reports. Smartsheet can be used to generate reports that track the progress of projects and tasks. This can help you to identify any issues that need to be addressed. Benefits of using Smartsheet. There are many benefits to using Smartsheet, including easy to learn and use. Smartsheet is built on a spreadsheet-like interface, which makes it easy to learn and use. Powerful and flexible. Smartsheet is a powerful and flexible tool that can be used to manage a wide range of projects. Cloud-based. Smartsheet is a cloud-based application, which means that you can access it from anywhere, at any time. Affordable. Smartsheet is affordable for businesses of all sizes. Smartsheet is a powerful and flexible project management software that can help you manage your projects and tasks more efficiently. It is a great tool for teams of all sizes, and it can be used to manage a wide range of projects. If you are looking for a project management software that is easy to learn and use, powerful and affordable, then Smartsheet is a great option. If you are interested in learning more about Smartsheet, please visit the Smartsheet website or sign up for a free trial. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on productivity and project management.